10. Tips how to get rid of hickey fast. A hickey is a specific type of bruise, which forms when blood vessels break and blood accumulates beneath the surface of the skin. Moreover, a hickey is the result of ruptured blood vessels or capillaries under the skin's surface. They break because of sucking or biting on skin, and the spilled blood pools, creating a dark bruise. Hickeys can last anywhere from 2 days to 2 weeks. So if you're trying to hide one, you may spend a long time in turtlenecks or touching up the area with concealer. There are a few ways to speed up the healing process. Nothing will make a hickey magically disappear in minutes, but below techniques may help it clear up a few days faster. Number 1. Cold compress. A cold compress may help reduce the swelling of a brand new bruise. The cool temperature helps slow the flow of blood from the vessel into the skin. Apply the compress to the hickey for 10 minutes several times per day for the first 2 days. Number 2. Try a cold spoon. You can also try a chilled spoon directly to the hickey. This will slow down the flow of blood from the broken capillaries, and it may help reduce the size of the bruise. To perform this procedure you need to place a spoon in a freezer or fridge for 30 minutes. Then, apply it directly to the spot. Leave it for 10 minutes, and repeat several times through the first 48 hours or until it begins to lighten. Number 3. Try a warm compress. After 2 days of using a cold treatment, it's time to apply some heat. A warm compress can increase your circulation in the bruised area. This may help the hickey fade sooner rather than later. You should apply a warm compress for 10 minutes several times per day. Number 4. Aloe vera pulp. The thick, gelatinous pulp inside an aloe vera leaf may reduce inflammation, skin swelling, and pain. Apply a thin layer of the pulp directly to the bruise 2 times per day. Number 5. Cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is used in a variety of topical skin treatments. Several research on cocoa butter finds that cocoa butter effective for smoothing scars, reducing stretch marks and wrinkles, and eliminating or decreasing other superficial marks on skin. You should apply the thick cream to the area 1 to 2 times per day. Number 6. Pineapple. Pineapple is rich with an enzyme called bromelain. It's been known to reduce pain and soreness. Apply this treatment is simple, you just need to take a slice of pineapple and place right to the affected spot. You can do this 4 or 5 times a day, but watch for irritation. Number 7. Banana peel. A banana peel hosts a great number of vitamins, nutrients, and antioxidants, and it can have a soothing and calming impact on skin. You can apply the peel directly to your hickey, and it may help reduce signs of bruising and irritation. Number 8. Apply vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential to keeping your skin healthy and smooth. It has great antioxidant properties and may help boost your skin's collagen production. Vitamin C may strengthen the skin tissue around your blood vessels, which could help heal your hickey. Moreover, you could apply a vitamin C enriched cream to the affected area daily. Number 9. Use arnica. Topical and oral arnica are widely available over the counter at most pharmacies. Using arnica can help speed up the healing of the bruise from a hickey. Number 10. Vitamin K cream. Vitamin K plays a role in helping your blood clot properly. A vitamin K enriched cream may speed up bruise healing. You could apply vitamin K cream directly to the skin 1 to 2 times per day. A hickey takes only a few seconds to form, but requires several days to more than a week to heal. But those effective techniques may help to speed up the healing process.